Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. Today I am going to review Redmi Note 11 Pro, and the price of this mobile is 39,999. So we don't have any product here to show you, but you are going to know that if you want to purchase or not on this price. Is it worth or not? Because you are paying 40,000 means you should know why you are paying, and is it worth to pay that amount. So let's start. These are the topics we are going to cover in this video. So the first thing is summary of the mobile, and what is the performance of this phone, and design and display used in this mobile, and camera feature, and battery, and storage capacity, what is the software used in this mobile, and connectivity, advantage and disadvantage of this mobile. Is it worth on the price? So let's start with the summary of this mobile, and let's see a short summary of this mobile. The processor used in this mobile is Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. RAM in this mobile is there is two variants, 8GB variant and 12GB variant. Storage also 128 and 256GB variants are available, and the screen size of this mobile is 6.67 inches. Battery 5000 mAh battery, and 120 watts of fast charging. Right, this is a short summary of the mobile. In detail we will discuss now. Let's start with the first point, performance. Yes, let's see the performance of this mobile. Processor used in this mobile is Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. I can say that third best Android processor available in the market. The performance of this is immense. It can slightly heat up your mobile, but the gaming experience in this processor is very smooth and can handle a high-end games like PUBG and some other games, top games you can play in this mobile very smoothly. That is the important factor. And Snapdragon is built mainly for the gaming purpose only, and it has 8 cores in the CPU. That means in a layman language, if I want to say without any technical part, more cores means more performance. If there is more number of cores, there will be much better performance, right? Fabrication is like the best fabrication under this price, that is 5nm. What is this fabrication 5nm? It just represents the size of transistors in the processor. Without any technical parts, you can understand that lower nanometer, that is nm, if it is low, that means better performance and higher efficiency, right? Did you understand that? Fine. RAM in this mobile is you have 8GB of RAM and 12GB of RAM. The RAM used in this mobile is LPDDR5, the best RAM available in the market as of now, and the best performance available in the market, right? The best RAM and the best performance available in the market, and it is lower power consumption. The main feature of this LPDDR is lower power consumptions RAMs. Fine. Did you understand everything? Next we'll go for design. Mineral glass back panel. We have a back panel glass protection, right? And height of this mobile is 6.43, width 3.03 inches, and the thickness 0.35 inch. And weight of this mobile is slight high 2.4 grams. It's heavy but fine. For 5000 mAh battery, slight weight will be there, fine. Water resistant, it is not waterproof, it is water resistance, and it is dust proof also, and has fingerprint and face unlock feature. Nowadays the common feature of every mobile, right? Fine, that design is done. The next point is, let's see about display resolution 1080 into 2400 pixels. So what do you mean by pixels? Let's say this is your mobile and there will be small boxes inside your display. Through that display you can see images, colors, whatever texts are there, you can see through the pixels. If there is no pixels, there is no display at all. If you want to see anything in your display, that is because of you can see through only pixels. If there is no pixels, and the display will be fully blank. And brightness of this phone is 1000 nits of brightness. Really it is high brightness. And pixel per inch 395 per inch. That means in your 1 inch of display, how many pixels are there? There are 395 pixels are there. It is standard one. And size of the display is 6.7 inches, sorry, 6.67 inches. And you have Corning Gorilla glass protection, and the screen to body ratio is 85.12 percentage. Ultimately, sorry, display type is AMOLED Dolby Vision HDR10 plus. So the best available display in the market, I can say that. And next point is camera. Rear camera is 108 MP plus 8 plus 5. That's a great camera. And front camera is about 16 MP, quite lower. They could give 32, but still fine. And battery of this mobile is the best part of the mobile. Type Leon batteries, and the capacity is 5000 mAh. In how many minutes you can charge it? Within 17 minutes you can charge it from 0 to 100% within 17 minutes, or you can 18 minutes, you can say. It is claimed by the brand. And that is fast charging is 120 watts fast charging. That's why it's getting charged quickly, right? There is no wireless charging. And storage, internal storage is available in two variants, that is 128 GB and 256 GB. And a drawback is also there, it is non-expandable. There is no memory tray in this mobile. That is the drawback for this mobile, right? The next point is, yes, the software used in this mobile is operating system is Android V11. Even though Android 12 is available, but they could not use, right? They have used Android V11, the latest version, we can say. And the connectivity in this mobile is, we have SIM 1, SIM 2, nano SIMs. Both are nano SIMs. And you have 5G connection in SIM 1 and 4G connection in SIM 2. Fine. Advantage and disadvantage of this mobile is, The advantage: processor, display, camera and battery will be the advantage, and disadvantage is non-expandable memory, front camera and build quality of all Redmi mobile. Fine. The build quality, the main disadvantage of this mobile is build quality. The build quality of a Redmi mobile is quite low, but they are working on it and they are increasing the build quality of the mobiles. Frankly, if I want to tell, the mobile will be usable for 2 to 3 years, then it will start giving some kind of problems, hardware problem, software problem, whatever it may be. It starts giving the stuff problems, right? If you want to purchase a mobile for battery backup and fast charging, if you are busy person, then you can choose this mobile. And gaming also, find the best gaming mobile for the price, but you have an alternative is iQOO 9 Pro, I think so. You have that alternative option also. You can check that in the description. I have reviewed that also. You can check the review. Right. Finally, is it worth paying 39,900, basically 40,000 for this mobile? For the specification, yes, you can pay, but if you cope up with these disadvantages, yes, it is worth. But for this, it is not worth 39,900. You can go for the alternative. And with this, we are winding up, and we'll meet in the next video.